In dense forest, animals rely on scent and sound signals for their safety. They use alarm calls or territorial calls. Animals use stripes, spots of others' patterns on their bodies on camouflage them live in the thick foliage. Some animals use their long limbs to move from one tree to another. They use their sharp claws for holding on to the branches of tall trees. A monkey uses its tail like a fifth limb. They can use their tails for gripping the branches of tree. Monkey can leap up to 9 meters as they move from one tree to another. The fastest animal on land, the cheetahs, and has a strong, powerful legs and streamlined body that help it to run fast. It also has a wide nasal passage and a flat rib cage that allows for the quick intake of air while running. An elephant has a long trunk. Its trunk is actually a blade of the upper lip and the nose. The elephant uses its trunk just as human beings use their hands. The trunk is used for drinking water, bringing food to the mouth, as well as for picking up small objects. The elephant has finger-like projections at the tip of the trunk. These are used to move and pick up small objects. The hippopotamus lives in swampy areas. It has a lot of fat under its skin, which helps it to stay afloat. Its eyes, nostrils, and ears are on the top of its head because most of its body stays immersed in water and only the head remains above water. This mistake is easy for hippopotamus to see, hear, and breathe while hiding in water. The reindeer has a wide hooves that prevent it from sneaking in the snow. They have thick fur that keeps them dry and warm in cold regions. Hippopotamus. Okay. Use an encyclopedia to find out how the polar bear has adapted to its environment. In hot desert, the temperatures are extremely high and there is scarcity of water. Many natural animals can be found in the desert. These animals burrow during the day to protect themselves from the heat. They come out of their burrows at night when it is much cooler in search of food. Camels have wide feet that keep them from sneaking in the sand. Camels जो होते हैं उनके नीचे जो पैरों के नीचे जो थीम होते हैं जो वो बहुत मतलब गधे टाइप के होते हैं जिससे वो से पैरों को जैसे चलने में उनको दिक्कत नहीं होती है रेतीले जो सैंड वाले जो जगह होती है उसमें. दे हैव लॉन्ग आईलैशेस दैट प्रिवेंट टू द सैंड फ्रॉम ग्रीटिंग इन देयर आइज. उनके पास बड़े बड़े आईलैशेस होते हैं. दे कैन ऑल्सो क्लोज देयर nostrils and prevent the sand from getting in their light colored skin. स्किन उनके लाइट एंड कलर्स क्रीम टाइप की स्किन होती है. them help camouflage in the sand. This is camels. And a snake is acquired with fangs. A fang is a tooth that is adapted to work like a shrinks snake. They use their fangs to inject venom into their prey as they hunt snakes. bat, bats and nocturnal mammals that have very bad visions. They emit high-pitched sound and listens to result in cues to locate their prey and nearby object. This is a process known as echolocation, and it's also seen in dolphin and whales. Bats have wings that help them glide. The strong claws help them hang upside down. Birds have adapted their vertebral skeleton for flight. Their bones and skull are very thin, making their bodies extremely light, just as we use our legs to move about. Birds use wings to fly and glide as they go from one place to another. Seals have adapted to live on land, in water, as well as on ice. They have a streamlined body which helps them propel themselves in water. They have a short hinder legs known as flippers. The flippers help them to swim. They have a lot of blood in their body, which stores enough oxygen for them to dive in deep waters and survive for about 20 or 30 minutes without breathing. Jellyfish move about with the help of tentacles, and marsupials are member of the mammals family. They have an abdominal pouch called marsupium to carry their young ones at birth. The babies are not fully developed. They develop later in the marsupium. A baby kangaroo lives in its mother's pouch for about 6 months. ओके ये कंगारू है, इससे आपने देखें इसकी पेट है, एक पाउच टाइप का होता है जिसे कंगारू कहते हैं. एनिमल डू different things to survive in the cold winter month. Some animals and birds migrate or travel to regions of warmer climate in search of food and shelter. Birds fly a very long distance as they migrate during the autumn and winter month to warmer regions. Whales migrate in search for food during the winter. Some fish may swim south or move to deeper, warmer water. Some animals, such as the earthworm, to go down deeper into the soil to escape the cold. Birds. Primates are mammals with large brains and complex, well-developed hands and feet with fingers and toes. Most primates also have opposable thumbs. Example are monkeys, chimpanzee, gorilla and humans. Okay, ये रहा monkeys, chimpanzees, gorilla and human beings. Primates are intelligent, begin with the large and highly developed brains. They have a highly developed sense of color. Primates have a developed language and communication skills. They have eyes in front of their head, allowing them to judge depth and distance. Monkey and apes walk on all four limbs. Humans are the only primates that walk on two legs. Primates give birth to fully formed offspring after a long gestation period in the mother womb. Primates are very social animals with strong bonds with in the family of pack.